So guys, we are back. Next episode, and we are still working on the house, as always. But I am headed to, I don't know why my cat's on the roof. We are headed to Lowe's. Gonna go grab a shop vac, the little like $15 one that we bought way long time ago. It just sucks. Well, it doesn't suck. It doesn't suck. It blows dust everywhere. The filters that they have on them are crap. My dad's got one that's like a, I don't know what it is, I can't remember. But it's super good, low dust, everything. And we need one for the house. We have a lot of cleanup to do. You know, cutting sheetrock gets dusty. Cutting all the wood that we did the other day was dusty. So that little one cannot keep up with what we're doing. So gonna go in here, gonna grab the $100 one. It's like 99 bucks. Well, it used to be 99 bucks. I don't know if it is still, but that's the one we kind of want to use. It has like a big enough hose that it sucks up large pieces of sheetrock and everything, so it makes it nice. So gonna jump over to Lowe's, grab that, go back to the house, do some cleanup, and then get ready to do some more sheetrock, guys. So guys, I was wrong. It's Home Depot that has the shop vac that I want, and it's actually on sale for 69 bucks, and it's right down the street. So we're gonna jump over there and get that shop vac from there. The one in Lowe's was kind of a lot bigger, and I don't need something so large for the house right now. Like it's the same stuff, a little bit more compact. So we're gonna run down to Home Depot and grab it. Also gonna buy a couple bags of concrete for the bathroom. So got it, guys. It's the rigid 12-gallon one, and we got our concrete. Let's get home and start working. So guys, for 69 bucks, this pretty little thing is gonna be perfect for the house. A lot cheaper than the other one, by like 40 bucks. And it's the same size, same horsepower, same everything. So here's hose, all our fancy ends, and it's already got the filter on it. Astros game starts in like 15 minutes, guys. So we have to get this place cleaned up so that I can turn the Astros game on and pretend I'm going to be doing work when I probably really not going to, except for watch the game. So let's get this thing put together real quick and get to cleaning. So guys, we're in the bathroom right now. I gotta take out a little bit of this wall. Well, I gotta take this out, that out. I think we're leaving this here because it goes all the way through. But we're pulling off some more sheetrock, getting that off, and getting that all cut down. But these are nailed from this back side, so I have to cut off these, like literally they're full-size giant nails that they used to use, so I can get this off, so I can get this off, so I can pour concrete in there. So I'm gonna use the angle grinder, slice those all off, then we can knock this loose, and then look at what we gotta do to cut that out of the ceiling. Not sure exactly yet, but we gotta get that so we can make the ceiling one level all the way across. So let's get to it. Woo! There it goes. That was quick. With a quickness. Boom. And it's out. Now we just gotta pull it and twist it, and it's gone. Boom. set that down in the hallway for right now so we can see what we got to do here. That is going to stay there for right now because this wall is going to come here and it's going to turn in a little bit and go down. So we should be good. Just got to figure out what we got to do to get this out at the bottom. I don't know if that goes all the way across. No, it does. It goes all the way across and makes this base plate. So we'll just get the Sawzall and cut that off, and then we'll fill this whole thing with concrete. Then we'll be done. Well, we gotta clean it up and then we'll be done. Pour some concrete in there. So there we go, guys. We got this piece off. Now we can clean up the area and get it ready to pour some concrete. Just gonna mix up. I got an 80-pound bag, but I don't think we need that much concrete. So we're gonna mix up probably half a bag, 3/4 of a bag, and then yeah, fill this in. Okay, guys, y'all. Honestly, I don't know how much concrete this is gonna take. Kind of looks like the whole bag is gonna do it, but I don't know. So I'm gonna mix up the whole bag. And if we have leftovers, we have leftovers. I'd rather be too much than not enough. But yeah, we got the bag. Got the shovel. I'm not caught on that. Cut this bag open into our mixing tray right now. I'm gonna bring it down here. After smoothing it out a little bit, we're just a tad bit low in some spots. So we're gonna make just a tad bit more, put it on top, and get it to come up to this level. As you see, we need it up to this level. And currently we're like 1/4 of an inch below. All that will be, you know, when we put new tile back, you'll see that dip, and we don't want that. So let's make up another batch, pour it on top, and smooth it out. So guys, the second layer, as you can see, came out great. Even with the tile, underneath the peel and stick tile, and looks great. So it's gonna fill in that hole, we'll be good to go. So now we gotta let this cure for a couple days, and we'll be good. But we're gonna pull up eventually all the tile in here, strip it, and put new laminate flooring down. You know, kind of wood look tile, laminate floor. But I have to go clean out all the concrete stuff now while we let that cure, and we will jump into the bedroom and start doing some more sheetrock, guys. So guys, we are day 2. As you can see, our concrete is hardening up just nicely. Give that another couple, what did I say? It's pretty warm in here, so another day or 2 before we can start putting anything down on that. We did get some sheetrock work done in here, and we also took out some sheetrock. That had a bow in it, and so we kind of cut that out to see what was behind it, which is just the sheetrock coming off the wall. So we're going to replace that and fix that. But I got today at Lowe's, I got a new attic stair, guys. You saw that we broke that one, or that one broke on us. So we have a new attic stair to put in. Picked that up at Lowe's today on my way home from work. So we have a new attic stair, but we're gonna do some electrical work. And remember when I told you guys, when we turn the power on in the back of the house, the front brick wall, when it's wet, becomes electrified? Well, we are finally going to remedy that today, and we are going to get up in there and see what's going on. But I also, guys, I don't know where it went. Must be in the car. But I picked up some Flex Seal and some rubberized spray coating so we can spray the back of those brick walls to make sure that we're 100% covered and 100% leak proof coming into the house. So let's grab that and let's spray those walls. So guys, now that we have all this cleaned up, you can see how the brick is literally right against our wood wall here, which is literally the, that's outside. So you can see why we concreted in everything on the outside so that water wouldn't leak in. Well, as a secondary layer of protection, we are going to spray some Flex Seal all over this wall and seal it up so that no water that, if it does get by the concrete, will not come past and come into the wall. It'll at least drain out and down and out of the wall and not into the house. So let's get this spraying. And done, guys. So looks really good. First big coat. I don't know how many more coats it might take, maybe one more, but all these big cracks you see, I'm gonna fill with some spray foam after this dries. I'm filling that corner with some spray foam. All areas that you can't really or don't want insulation shoved into, so you'll see that next. Gotta clean up the closet area, guys, because we're gonna do the same thing to this brick, but all the way down. So we need to clean up this area. We're going to do the same thing on this side as we did on the other. So guys, that's the end of the video for tonight. I know it was short, but we got some stuff done. We got our brick all coated in rubber and filled with spray foam, and we can now complete that room and have no worries about water getting in. We did a little sheetrock in the back. We did go up in the attic for a little bit, check some wiring, got the lights back on in the bedroom and the power back on in the back room, so we are good with that. Now we can just continue on with sheetrock and stuff. Things that are left on the list to do for the house, guys. We still have sheetrock, bathroom, and floors. Now that I kind of got the back room kind of cleaned up and everything, we are going to put down our subfloor and stuff. Well, maybe not this weekend because I'm going to be out of town going to SeaWorld with my little nephew for the first time for him to go to SeaWorld. So, going to be an exciting kind of trip, but we're going to get those floors in hopefully first of next week so that we can have everything looking complete since we're getting closer and closer with sheetrock and everything. So one step closer, guys. We're getting there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along, guys. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. What are you knocking on the table, kitten? Kitten goes crazy. Has kittens and kitten goes crazy. Pick up some stickers, guys. I know I got a couple orders on the website. They're shipping out this week, actually tomorrow. So they'll be in the mail for you guys tomorrow for everybody that's ordered already. Still have a few left, guys, before I make my next big order of stickers. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Still gonna be doing house stuff.